August 1947, independent India stepped into the new era, an era of freedom and new beginnings. Just as the rays of hope spread gradually over the country, India saw rapid developments in financial and technical fields. Just like the 7 wonders of the world, 7 women created another wonder on 15th of March 1959.
In 1959, 7 ladies started this organization on the roll with the capital of ₹80 only.
And made history. They started making papads with a loan of mere 80 rupees. A minuscule business of making papad today has developed into a large organization, Shri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad. Shri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad, based on the philosophy of Sarvodaya and cooperative movement, has been marching ahead with giant strides.
Highlight of this organization is its guidelines based on Sarvodaya principles. It is an unique organization run by and for women. Women are the owners here. They are responsible for profit as well as loss.
Respected Chhaganlal Karamshi Parekh, also known as Chhagan Bappa, and respected Purushottam Damodar Dattaniji, affectionately called Dattani Bappa, were the guiding spirit that paved way for the simple papad making job to transform into a major industry today.
Today, over 40,000 sisters share the ownership of this organization, which has today developed like a gigantic tree symbolizing women's strength.
Impressed by the growing business run by ladies, Khadi and Gram Udyog Commission were convinced to rightfully recognize Lijjat Udyog as a cottage industry.
For long, Khadi and Gram Udyog Commission recognized and helped us to continue to do so.
In a span of 50 years, thousands of women joined this movement to build an organization with a turnover worth over 650 crores, which was no mere achievement by an organization in such a short span. It is but natural for anyone to wonder and question the phenomenal development of Lijjat Udyog. Different from other organizations and based on strong convictions, this cooperative movement, in its attempt to benefit maximum number of women, has been starting new branches in different states across the country.
From the time I joined here, I'm very happy and satisfied. Here, we become self-dependent. Daily we earn wages to support our families, making us very happy. For their families, with respect, we get requests from remote centers to start our branches for them.
To start with, the selection of the site is finalized by the managing committee. Planning stage of opening a new branch involves a proposal by some particular person, organization, or Lijjat Udyog itself.
I can give this entire land to Lijjat or free.
Free? Never. We may give more than the market price, but not less, to keep our morals high.
As per Lijjat Udyog's guidelines, the organization does not accept donations, whether it is land or an existing structure. The right price is always paid to lease out or to buy. To engage maximum number of ladies for the newly opened branch, the right kind of awareness is publicized in local newspapers and magazines. To transport ladies from neighboring areas, vehicles are organized as and when required. The organization and its new branches are treated sacredly like places of worship, where all a document called the Pratigya Patra, which has all the information, rules and regulation about maintaining the sanctity of the organization.
The Pratigya Patra we get to fill has 10 points, which have to accept, like for us getting work is like being blessed by the Almighty. Second, we never look at others' earnings. Aiming to get more than the others is against Lijjat's guidelines. Work here has to be done with total trust. No room for dishonesty. As long as you work here, consider truth as your prime guideline. Whatever you say it loudly. Gossiping and not being transparent is as bad as stealing.
The realization of how to worship work is made possible by making all the members sing the Sarva Dharma prayers daily. Om Tat Sat Shri Narayana Tu Purushottama Guru Tu Siddha Buddha Tu Skanda Vinayaka Savita Pavaka Tu Brahma Majadatu Yahava Shakti Tu Ishu Pita Prabhutu Rudra Vishnu Tu Rama Krishna Tu Rahimata Tu Vasudeva Govishwarupa Tu Chidananda Hari Tu Advitiya Tu Akala Nirbhaya Atmalinga Shiva Tu.
This organization follows Gandhiji's thoughts. To remind us that we are one is the relevance of Sarva Dharma prayers.
When members join this organization, they are never asked about their religion and caste. We are only concerned with work need.
Gradually, the members are trained to make different products in the best possible manner. To maintain correct standards of quality, the branch takes up the responsibility of supplying a specially prepared batter to all its members. During the making of papads, cleanliness is considered most important. To take care of this vital aspect, teams are sent for regular checkups to monitor hygiene factors where the papads are rolled.
Because of quality, Lijjat today is popular and reputed. If we don't maintain the quality, how could we have been so successful?
As the newly established branch becomes self-dependent, one of the local lady members gets appointed to head the branch.
We get respect and earn more than our husbands.
The formal inauguration of any new branch is done by a reputed personality or some public representative of that region. Encouraged by the success of Lijjat Papad, Lijjat Udyog launched other products like a variety of spices, tasty vadis, wheat flour, ready-made chapatis, South Indian appalam, Soaps used in homes is also being produced by Lijjat Udyog. Lijjat products are not only popular in India but have made their mark in foreign countries as well. According to well-known educationalist and Nobel laureate Professor Amartya Sen, primary education plays an important role in nation's social and economic development.
That's why Lijjat Udyog has started special education training for its members who visit different centers across the country. They should have at least know to read and write, be able to read the bus number. One mother gets literate, her family becomes literate. This is our service to the nation.
Marching ahead, Shri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad has today proved to be a symbol of women's strength and an inspiration for every woman.